Welcome to today's customers training. In this training, we will show you how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Yes, this video and training is for our customers who paid their hard-earned money to purchase our products from us, but we will be uploading this video on YouTube and other channels as well because you are paying us with your time. So whether you purchased anything from us or not, you will still be benefited and you will get everything for free. So hit the like button and share this video with everyone you know, your friends, family, social media contacts, and especially your social media timelines. This way everybody will get help and they will love you, they will follow you for sharing this awesome information, and eventually they will become your first customers and client. This is how we make money, by sharing awesome information, helpful information, 100% free, and you will make money as well. What I'm about to share with you will be completely beginner friendly. You can do it from anywhere in the world, from any experience level, whether you are a complete beginner or you are a professional or you run an agency or a company. You can use this training for yourself or your team members or for your friends and family. So hit the like button and share this video. Subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. This way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. Before we begin, let's start with today's money motivation. What you see here is one of my Warrior Plus accounts, $425,904.23 earned by my wonderful affiliates. They sent all these sales and made $226,432 in passive affiliate commissions in the process. Sounds exciting? What's more exciting here are not these numbers of money. The most exciting numbers are these hops. These are the clicks from our wonderful customers who watched our content, loved our content like these videos. They believed in us, they clicked our links, and we made all this money. Sounds awesome? So the focus is to help others with valuable information they are looking for on the internet in the form of videos. But unlike these videos with camera and microphone, we don't record ourselves for our other channel because making videos is not easy. Using camera and microphone and recording yourself is exhausting. It's not a scalable process, and that's why we use our artificial intelligence software Epic. Epic allows us to make videos using image, links, and texts. With Epic, you never have to write your own script. Go to the text section, click the text generator, put any text here, copy it from anywhere, from any website or anywhere at all. Then use any of these buttons and your script is rewritten using AI, and that script will be yours. Then go ahead, take that script, go to the audio section and use text to audio, click add and put your script right here. Choose the quality, choose your favorite voiceover artist and click one button and immediately your natural sounding voiceover is ready. But that's not all. Epic allows us to make videos in bite size. Using this little section here, all these sections you see are bite-sized videos. It can be 1 second long to 10 minutes long. And you can save your video campaign, go for other work, come back later and finish your video. Once you're happy with your campaign, simply click the render button and the video will be ready in the background. Then simply download it and upload it anywhere you want, like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and that video will get customers for you and you will make money just like us. That's the simple process we use to make money online, and our affiliates use to make money online every single day. Sounds awesome? Let's begin. By the way, here is a very interesting part. The information we are about to share with you in this video, we put the same information inside Epic and turned it into an Epic video. This video is completely ready to access from your dashboard if you get access to Epic. Epic is free, link is in the description. Go grab Epic and grab access to our videos. Simply click add new button. Once you are here, click this drop down menu to choose any of our videos. You can edit that, you can modify it, you can use the same and make your own video from there. Now the information in this video will all be in this campaign, and we even wrote the script for you. So you can enlarge the script, go to to the audio section, read this text, and click this button to record your own audio or your own voice from your own microphone, or simply copy this text from here and go to the audio section, use the text to audio to use natural sounding voiceover using text to speech feature. So let's get customers and make money now. Step number 1 is go to Amazon.com and choose the best seller. The best sellers will give you the most sold products and the most popular product. Then select a product that has a lot of reviews and positive ratings. So for example, I have chosen Finish dishwasher salt right here. It has 988 4.7 rating, which is really good. It means a lot of people are buying, especially household, office items, health related items are bought frequently by the same customer. Now you need to find a problem related to that product and the product customer. For that, you can go to the customer review section. I have come here and found a problem. You can also choose our best friends YouTube and Google to learn more about the product, because this product is going to bring a lot of customers and sales. So take a little time and use the product name and the problems around this product and look a little bit on YouTube and Google. Put some real interest on it and take some serious notes. Take screenshots, like with free screenshot taking software, just like I have taken screenshots. All these are screenshots. I have used a free Google Chrome extension called Awesome Screenshot. You can use anything you want. Take screenshots, download them. What I do is I go straight, upload it on Epic. This way, every single screenshot, every single note becomes a part of my videos. Now you have known a lot about the problem of the customers of this product. You are ready to attract customers now by helping them with the information they're looking for. By looking at their problems and their solutions, you are becoming the best friend, the most trustworthy person for your customer. Just like we are doing it here. Giving you helpful information, giving away our softwares for free. Links are in the description, by the way. So you can make money the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Don't you think we deserve a little bit of likes and shares? Go ahead, like this video and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter. And trust me, this will come back to you. The same way it comes back to us and help us make money. Now, once you learn about the problems and solutions, make simple videos. They can be 10 seconds long, they can be 1 minute long, they can be 10 minutes long. But once you know about the topic, you can make simple and helpful videos using Epic. Epic has all the artificial intelligent elements to help you make videos using 3 to 5 minutes of your time. Epic is free, link is in the description. Go grab it and start using from today. Then at the end of your video, ask your viewers to click the links in the descriptions and in the first comment and in the bio if your videos are on Instagram and TikTok. And because you have already built the rapport, the trust, you are the person who are helping them with good information, they will love to click your links and buy from you. That's exactly what we do every single day to make money online. This is so much fun. It's really awesome to help people with free information, build friendship, trust, and eventually money completely automatically. Okay, so the video is done. I hope this was helpful. And this whole video, the whole information is already inside Epic. If you sign up using the link in the description, it's free. Then this video will be yours as well. All the image information and the texts, the scripts are all ready. Simply use them, publish them on your YouTube channel, your TikTok channel, your Instagram channel, your Facebook channels. Get traffic and make money. If you love this video, if you think this was helpful, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and especially your social media timelines. This way you participate in helping others. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. And we will see you in the next video.